We are pleased to show you the 2017 Chevrolet Spark. Chevy Spark, Chevrolet's first mini car, offers effortless driving on congested highways and roads with excellent fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, fog lights, heated front seats, electronic stability control, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, security system, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, Sirius satellite radio, power moonroof, panic alarm, rear window wiper, tilt steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.